If you've ever wondered how to hold palladium in your IRA, you're not alone. Palladium is becoming one of the most talked about precious metals for retirement portfolios. But it's not as straightforward as buying gold or silver. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to add palladium to your IRA step by step, so you can protect and diversify your retirement savings with confidence. First, why palladium? Unlike gold or silver, palladium is rarer and widely used in industries like automotive and electronics, which means its demand is growing fast. This industrial demand can offer a unique hedge against inflation and market volatility. For retirees, that's huge, especially in today's economic climate where inflation and uncertainty are constantly in the headlines. Now, here's the catch. The IRS has strict rules about which forms of palladium you can hold inside an IRA. You can't just buy any palladium bullion or coins and put them in your account. The palladium must meet certain purity standards and come from approved sources. This is why working with a reputable gold IRA custodian who understands these regulations is essential. Step 1. Open a self-directed IRA if you don't already have one. This is the type of IRA that allows you to hold alternative assets like palladium. Most traditional IRAs won't let you invest directly in physical metals. Step 2. Fund your self-directed IRA. You can transfer or roll over funds from an existing IRA or 401k. This keeps the tax advantages intact while giving you flexibility to invest in palladium. Step 3. Choose a trusted precious metals dealer who sells IRS-approved palladium bars or coins. The dealer should provide certification that meets IRS purity requirements, typically 29995 fine palladium or better. Step 4. Your IRA custodian purchases the palladium on your behalf using the funds in your self-directed IRA. The metal must be stored in an IRS-approved depository. No personal storage allowed. This ensures your investment remains compliant with tax laws. Step 5. Keep track of your holdings through your custodian. You'll receive statements showing your palladium balance and the value changes over time. Here's the key takeaway. Investing in palladium through your IRA isn't just about owning a shiny metal. It's about adding a rare, industrially demanded asset to diversify your retirement portfolio in a way that protects your savings from inflation and market swings. If you're worried about market volatility or want to add an asset that many Americans haven't considered yet, palladium could be a smart move. But it must be done right, with expert guidance, to avoid costly mistakes and IRS penalties. You worked hard to build your retirement nest egg. Now it's time to protect it the right way, with knowledge, strategy, and the right partners on your side. If you have $100,000 or more in your IRA or 401k, you owe it to yourself to get our free Gold IRA guide. It's designed just for American retirees like you who want to learn how to diversify safely, including how to hold palladium and other precious metals. There's no pressure, no gimmicks, just a no-obligation, educational one-on-one call where we'll help you understand your options and see if this strategy fits your retirement goals. Click the link now for your free guide and secure your retirement legacy today, because your hard work deserves the best protection for the generations to come.